Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Seru from Tahwan A. For today, I will show you about reservation without unrepeated guests. So please enjoy to my video.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Titan Restaurant. How may I can help you?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for dinner, please.
For what date and time, sir?
This Friday at 7 p.m.
How many people be dining?
4 people.
May I have your number and contact number?
Yes, it's Ilham, 0857 1234 5678.
Thank you, Mr. Ilham. Your table is for is confirmed for Friday